Alright, so this is a 2014 Kia Optima, and the oil cooler is leaking, and it is this little seal that goes up behind here. So what I have done, because Kia wants $400 for this, they say that this seal is not separate. So I went and found an oil filter, MGL 51085, on my shelf. There's the box. And this is the oil ring out of it. And if you look, it is the exact same size as that oil ring. It just doesn't have those little nipples on the inside. So we're going to stuff this up there, and we're going to see if our oil leak gets fixed, because it was dripping out really bad before. So give me just a second. Alright, so we got that back up because the customer's too cheap to do an oil change. We are going to put the old filter back on for now. Screws on. Oh, and if you're wondering how to take that thing off, it is just an Allen wrench. It is a big Allen. Let me see, what size was that? So this is a 12 millimeter Allen. We'll pull that center nut out. So, all right, let's go start it. Look at that. So it was leaking right here. So let's watch this for a minute. But anyways, yeah, here's the old one. You can see I did not put it back in. And it is still the old housing. Yeah. I mean, you can see how oily this is. I mean, it's been leaking for a while. All the oil going down the car. Cool. Yeah, you'd start it up and it would just start dripping. Okay. In case you want to know, that fixes it. MGL 51085.